India. We are one of the fast growing and leading value added distributor in India, representing almost 12 brands. And this year we also plan to go out of India in Singapore, Malaysian markets and introduce our brands in these countries. We have around 80 people in India right now spread across India, and we have an office in Mumbai with branch offices in Delhi, Kolkata and Bangalore. So our products are starting, our focus is on the SMB market. Our products start right from endpoint security to DLP solutions to MDM to OCR to threat hunting to DMARC and SSL certificates. When a customer buys our product, we can give him right entire circle, entire bouquet of security products. And when a partner or a customer, when he buys or when he joins us as a prospect, he is able to buy all the solutions under one roof. So support and service becomes easier. Our pricing is always very good. Market in India is large, and as computerization grows, the security market also will grow because the threat actors are very active. A lot of people are not educated in IT, first-time users, and they are falling prey to this kind of threats and to ransomware attacks, to people who are looting them. So security market is definitely going to go very, very big in India. By 2025, there are a lot of estimates, but I believe there will be more business than what is estimated, because estimated is as per today market share. But the way IT and the digital payment structure, everything digital is going, the security market definitely will be a huge market in India. So what we look at partners is small partners, dedicated partners who are servicing a certain amount of clients focused in SMB areas or medium corporate markets who are dependent on the partner to give them the solutions. So we look for such partners across India. We give them training, we give them certifications. They are awarded and rewarded fruitfully for bringing the business with us, and we take care of all the security needs that they have. So that's why if you see our product portfolio is always a circle which has a lotus, wherein the entire security solution is under one roof. So when a partner joins us, he starts with an endpoint, but then he is able to give all the solutions which are required for an SMB. So across India, we are currently having around 1500 partners whom we are working with. Most of them focus on particular markets that we intend to cater in that particular region. Partner for the owners, we have regular webinars and training sessions. For the engineers, we are running certification programs, and upon certification, we are incentivizing them. We are giving them actual certificates from the vendor which are useful for a small engineer in a small region. So on every 3 months, there is a certification program for the engineers and sales technicians of the partner, and they are trained on various other solutions that we have. So we are basically focused on security solutions, and we have a few Indian brands with whom we have tied up. These brands will be taking out of India in other countries also where there is a requirement. Basically focusing on Southeast Asia, Singapore, Malaysia, maybe once the Sri Lankan issue is over, then in Sri Lanka, Mauritius, South Africa are the countries which we have found out, and in the next 2-3 couple of years, we will be expanding ourselves in all these countries. So when our distribution policy is very clear, we don't do any dumb kind of a sales. Our partners don't need to invest on anything. We do the support, we do the POC, we do the entire hand holding. They just have to sell. Upon selling, they are incentivized. Their team is incentivized on sales, on certification also. Our product range is very, very different, and it gives value. So many times it happens that there are not prices the vendors don't give to the partners, and they are not able to execute. So in our case, we work very closely with the partners in finding the right value at what the customer is looking at, propose the proper product, wherein the partner doesn't have to do business on 2%. So all our products, the partner minimum will earn 15 to 20%. We don't allow any partner to work below that margin. So he in turn is able to give a proper support and service to that partner. there is no veteran word. So I have been in 30 years in IT industry in distribution. I still don't believe I'm a veteran, because in IT you cannot be a veteran. There is new technology, new products coming daily. New disruptive way of doing sales is becoming different. Even in our case, for us, we don't have a distributor anywhere in India. We only work directly with partners, and we work with 1500 partners. So what as a new thing coming in, I think every company needs to adapt to new technology which comes in. They should try out new products for distribution and not get stuck with only old products that they are selling. I think that's where many companies lose, because they don't go fast, tie up with new products. They don't want to take the new products in the market. They are busy with the old hassles, and they lose on the new market share, because in earlier days the people of India were not used to internet, or most part of the world. With internet coming, everybody knows every technology. They can just Google and find out what is currently the trend. So it is very necessary for the partner to grow with the current trend and not stay with something old. The ideas, the value should be old, but the product technology should always be new.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.